a question. Have you ever found yourself going blank during interaction, meeting, or while giving presentation? Although you have lots of thoughts in your mind when you are listening to people, but the moment spotlight comes on you, your mind freezes. Especially when you're talking to people who have more authority and experience than you. If this is something that is happening with you, let me tell you, this is completely normal and I have been there. Here the question arises that why does this happen? Why do we get blank? Well, it happens because of our past experiences, past bad experiences that shook our confidence level and that reduces our confidence level. Most probably the experiences that we had in our childhood or in our school, colleges, or when we started working. Over time, that moments and that experiences makes us doubt our ability and we stop trusting ourselves, we stop trusting our skill set. But here is a secret. Private victory is a public victory. You need to win yourself privately in order to win publicly. So here, you need to start believing in your skill set. You need to start believing in your ability so that you will win publicly. So in this video, I will share with you 2 secrets that will help you stop going blank and express yourself confidently and fearlessly. This is Authen and I am International Public Speaking Mentor and I have helped people from more than 50 countries to speak confidently and fearlessly from stage. So consider subscribing this channel if you want to learn more about public speaking skills and self-development. So let's dive in. Number 1. Practice turning your thoughts into words. Oftentimes whenever we are thinking about something, we are visualizing and we are great at that. Whenever I ask you to visualize something, you will visualize the exact situation. Yes, but the challenge happens when we have to express that particular situation into words. Yes, does it happen with you that whenever something happened in your life in the past and if I ask you that please share that situation to me, you couldn't share. Although it's crystal clear in your mind, but still you couldn't share that. It happens because we are great at visualizing, but we cannot convert our visualization into words. And that's where the challenge happens. So here is what you need to do. You need to convert your thoughts or visualization into words. Let's say that you are taking a walk. You are simply walking. So of course, while taking a walk, you won't be just walking. You would be thinking about something, right? You would be visualizing something. So what you have to do here is that you have to convert that visualization, you have to convert that thoughts into words. What? You need to convert that thoughts into words. Literally whatever you are doing, whether you are traveling, sitting, walking, or you are at your office, at event, you are taking bath, or you are cleaning, cooking, literally whatever you are doing, you need to make sure to convert your thoughts into words. Practice forming sentences in your mind while doing any activity throughout the day. Here, let me give you my example. So when I am traveling and when I am sitting on one place, what I do is that I observe my surrounding. I observe the situation that is happening right in front of me. I observe it and I convert the situation into words into my mind and I speak that out loud into my mind. Or what I do is that I pick one object that I see around me, I pick that object in my mind and I start talking on that. I start talking on that object out loud in my mind. So in this way what happened is that I start thinking faster and at the same time I organize my thoughts in a better manner. I know it sounds silly, but guess what? It really works. This small habit like taking the object, talking on that or observing the situation, talking about that out loud into my mind and whatever activities I'm doing throughout the day, talking about that out loud into my mind, this small habit helps me to improve my articulation. Not only me, but this is one of the techniques that I share with all my mentees who are the part of my public speaking one-on-one mentorship. And once they have implemented this technique, they started thinking faster, their articulation improved, and at the same time, they are speaking with more confidence, clarity, and influence. Since you know the technique, then please implement because implementation is the key. Otherwise, you will keep searching for another video, then another video, and it is not going to change your life. You will be on the same place where you are right now. And I don't want this for you. I want you to implement. I want you to go to the next level. I want you to improve your interaction, improve your social skills, improve your communication skills. So please implement. And that's where you're going to get tremendous transformation in your life. So implement this technique so that you will start thinking faster and you will organize your thoughts in a better manner. Number 2, speak it out loud. Once you become confident and comfortable in converting your thoughts or visualization into words, here is the next step. You need to practice expressing your thoughts verbally. Here, instead of just thinking in your mind or practicing in your mind, you have to express yourself out. You have to express yourself verbally. So it involves 2 steps. Number 1, practice expressing yourself out loud in private. So if you remember, in the beginning of this video, I have shared with you one thing, that private victory is a public victory. You have to win yourself privately in order to win publicly. So here is what you have to do. You have to practice expressing yourself out loud privately. So here, make sure to be on the place or be in the room where nobody is there. Only you are the person who is there, because here you have to win yourself privately. The question arises that how will you practice? Well, all you have to do is that you have to take the object and you have to start talking about that object out loud verbally. Or you can talk about the best thing that you like about yourself, or the qualities that you like about yourself, or the recent trip that you had, or the first day of your job, or the first day of your business. Talk about any topic that you feel passionate and motivated to share. So take any random topics, practice on that, and while practicing you will find yourself that you are making mistakes, and that's fine, that's absolutely fine, okay? Don't stop when you will be making mistake. Don't get overwhelmed, don't get disheartened when you will be making mistake, because it is a part and parcel of life, okay? Please don't stop when you are making mistake. So whenever you find yourself that, oh, I'm unable to express myself this particular situation, so what you have to do is that you have to stop, analyze that how I can express this situation in a better manner. Okay, find out the best ways, find out the best sentences to express that situation. And here you go. Practice it repeatedly. And guess what? You will find yourself that your confidence is growing after each and every practice. And that's how you will become confident and comfortable with your own self. Second step, speak out loud publicly. Well, this is a stage where you will be completely ready to express your emotions, to express your thoughts. So leverage it and start expressing your emotions, start expressing your opinion. Let's say that you are in a meeting and some kind of discussion is going on, and since you are also part of that meeting, make sure to speak up, make sure to express your opinion. So obviously it is going to happen that you will have some opinion, you will have some thoughts. Yes? So make sure to put yourself out. Express yourself, because you have done so much practice privately that now you are completely ready to express yourself publicly. Okay, so leverage that opportunity and express yourself. Not only in meeting, let's say that you are at event. So make sure to interact with people, talk to people, approach people, build deeper connection with them. Okay, exchange your contact. Make sure that whenever you are getting opportunity to go on stage, go and grab it. Because that's how your confidence will grow. That's how your skills will grow. Most importantly, that's how you will get lots of opportunities coming your way. Okay? So make sure to win yourself privately in order to win publicly. Remember, confidence isn't built by waiting, it's built by doing. Every time you practice, you're telling your brain that yes, I have got this, I can do that. And over time, it becomes your belief system. So whenever any opportunities comes your way, grab it, because confidence is built by doing the things, by taking action. So take action, take massive action for your transformation, and you will see yourself change. You will unable to recognize yourself. Let me give you an example. So when you were a kid and when you were learning to ride bicycle, you must have fallen from the bicycle for several times. You tried riding bicycle, you fall. Again you tried, again you fall. Again you tried, again you fall. But what if, since you fallen from the bicycle for several times, now you're not getting that courage, you're not getting that confidence to ride bicycle again. And if you have never tried riding bicycle again in your childhood, and if you have given up, then till now you won't know how to ride bicycle. Yes? And ultimately you won't know how to ride two-wheelers. And guess what? That's what happened with me. When I was in 2nd or 3rd grade, my father bought me a bicycle. And I was very much excited in the beginning that okay, I finally got the bicycle and I want to ride it. But when I tried to ride it and when I fall from the bicycle for several times and my knees, my elbows started bleeding like anything, I had the fear to ride bicycle. And then I stopped putting in the efforts, I stopped coming out from a comfort zone, I stopped riding the bicycle, and it just went on and on. But thanks to my friend Shubhangini, she taught me to ride bicycle when I was in 6th grade. She believed in me, she showed her confidence in me, she showed her confidence in my ability, and because of that I started learning bicycle. Although at that time also I fall, but she showed her confidence in me, and because of that I learned bicycle. So I got confidence to ride bicycle through relentless practice. Similarly, you will get confidence to speak in public through relentless practice. So when you will be practicing, you are giving evidence to yourself that yes, I have got this, I can do that, I can speak in public, I can speak in any situation, I can talk on any topic. So this confidence you will get through evidence, this confidence you will get through practice. So practice relentlessly, practice your speaking skills relentlessly, and you will see yourself change. If you want to stop going blank and want to express yourself confidently, then please make sure to follow these two techniques. First, converting your thoughts into words. Second, start expressing yourself out loud. Once you follow these two techniques, automatically you will stop going blank and you are going to express yourself incredibly. Are you ready for a shortcut? Let's work together. I know it sounds easy, but it feels difficult to implement on your own, and that's why I have created Public Speaking 101 mentorship just for you. So this is complete beginner to advanced level mentorship where I am going to walk you through the entire journey from beginner to advanced level. So if you want to become a powerful speaker with great voice, with great charisma, with great body language and with great influence so that you can grow your career, generate more money and create an impact in society, then this mentorship is just for you. So if you are interested, make sure to WhatsApp me on this number. What we'll do is that we will fix quick meeting together. We will discuss about your challenges that you are facing right now, and I'm going to create the customized program for you to overcome all the challenges. So for what you are waiting, go ahead, WhatsApp me on this number and let's start your transformation journey together.